Hello, it's my final weekend, so I'm on my last sort of crappy day in quarantine before I go into the final stretch. I get out on Friday, hooray! Today I got my lunch, which has some chicken wings, and the vast majority is rice, and I can't eat another bit of rice. So to jazz things up a bit, I ordered another delivery of fresh goodies, so that will hopefully get me through until the end. I got some kale and a bit more spinach, and I even got cucumber and some carrots just for a bit more freshness, a bit of health. So I'm going to use some of that to make a salad to go with the chicken, and I've been saving this for a rainy day. Little sweet soy sauce packet. It's been the exciting delivery. I've got some M&S peanut butter. My video should be sponsored by M&S at this point. Some peanut butter, and it doesn't have any palm oil, which it doesn't need. It does, however, need the salt and sugar, which it's missing, so I'm going to jazz it up a bit with some sweet chilli. So between that and that little thing of soy sauce, we're going to come up with some kind of satay inspired salad to go with my chicken wings. For the salad, I've got some kale and spinach. I just quickly blanched the kale with the kettle because I'm very good when it comes to eating my greens, but even raw kale proves a little bit for me, a bit much for me sometimes. So I've got that. I ordered in a couple of veggies, as I say, but I've also rescued from the breakfasts a couple of cherry tomatoes and an apple. And I'm here with my trusty lid cum chopping board once again to my rescue. For the sauce, I'm just going to eyeball, wing and a prayer it. Probably start with about half of the sachet of the sweet soy sauce, and probably roughly equivalent to like a tablespoon of the peanut butter, and about half that of the sweet chili, and see where that takes us first, and adjust from there. Okay, so the taste is actually pretty good. It's a little bit thick at the minute, so I'm going to add in a splash more soy. Maybe I've got a little bit of the natural oil from the peanut butter. I'm going to try that to thin it out a bit, and if not, then I'm just add a splash of warm water, just so I can actually turn it into a bit more of a dressing rather than just a chunky dipping sauce. Okay, so that worked. It's nice and runny, so I'm going to be able to run my salad through it to get a nice coating. I added in splashes of water, warm, just a little bit at a time until I got a better consistency. If I bunged a load in, it would have been way too much. I also added in a little bit extra sweet chili, just to take the kick up. So I've got a nutty, salty, sweet, spicy sauce, and if I close my eyes and kid myself, I could pretend I'm on a beach somewhere. So that makes me happy. Also, I intentionally made the sauce in the bowl. I didn't want to put it in the mixing bowl because I know I'll end up losing most of it to the side. This is going to be a thicker one anyway, so I'm just going to toss the salad in there, and then chicken wings, and we're done.